monster headed down to Mexico. Had to see the lizards and the big old cigarros. He drinks tequila coffee lying in the sand. He falls asleep to the mariachi band. They say, monster, come on down. Hey now, monster, it's your kind of town. When the heat got heavy back in Chicago, loaded up his Chevy and he drove out of the snow. He headed right on south down Highway 85. Made it through El Paso, he was glad to be alive. And they said, monster, you won't be found. And now, monster, won't you stick around? Senoritas dancing sweetly, wondering who you're gonna pick. I've never seen a monster dressed so neatly. They think you're some kind of slick. One day the federales spotted Monster's car, parked on the sidewalk outside his favorite bar. They ran the plates, they got the registration match. They grabbed their shotguns, getting ready for the catch. And they said, monster, there ain't no doubt. And our monster been found out. Frankenstein's monster was a-dancing with his girl. And Spanish cops, they watched them spin and sway and whirl. They bought around the beer and laughed and tipped their hats. They said, hey monster, how'd you get a girl like that? They said, monster, you ain't gotta go. And now, monster, welcome to Mexico. Frankenstein's monster made that pretty girl his wife. He learned her language and he loved her all his life. They made a pretty house out in the countryside. But after many years that pretty lady died. She said, monster, oh don't you cry. Hey now, monster, I guess this is goodbye. Frankenstein's monster wiped away his lover's tears. That's the thing about monsters, they just live too many years. He packed up all his things and climbed aboard the bus. None of the passengers even made a fuss. They just said, monster, where you heading to? And now, monster,